Welcome, exam students, to the exam of 2025, like you see in the corner. And it's a history exam for all of the exam students of this island. We're talking about de rechterlijke macht. And the rechterlijke macht is de derde macht, is the third power of the trias politica. And rechters judge if the citizen crosses certain limits of the law. Name the two factors that guarantee that the judges can do their job as well as possible. Well, when you look into the book, first we look at the answer. They're independent, they are named for life, and they cannot be fired by the government. When we look in the book on page 26, 26, so go there to your reader Staatsinrichting, then you find rechtsstaat en democratie, regering en parlement, chapter 3, then paragraph 3.1, what does it mean to have a rechtsstaat? And you arrive at the following text that you can see here that actually refers to the answer to the question. So it says, in a rechtsstaat there is a separation of powers, the trias politica. This means that the three important powers can be practiced by different parts of the government or different people. So it's important that we have different organs doing it, different parts of the government, or different people. The three important power in Dutch, rechterlijke macht, uitvoerende macht, and wetgevende macht, has to be practiced by different parts of the government or by different people. The third power is the power of the judges, the judiciary, a difficult word, the judiciary. The judges have to judge if people cross certain boundaries of the law. They're independent and they're named for life. In the Netherlands, tot hun pensioen, and they cannot be fired by the government. So again, on page 26, like you can see here, actually here, you can find it, page 26. There you can find the answer to question 13 of the exam of 2025 about Staatsinrichting. So we have the three powers of the trias politica. We have the government, like you can see there in the corner. We have parliament, like you can see there in the middle. And above me, there will appear the courthouse, the judiciary. So we have judiciary, we have the lawmaking power, and we have the uitvoerende macht. Yeah? And all three of the powers have to be clearly separated from each other to have a good trias politica. They are named for life, and they cannot be fired by the government. That's